Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you some funny things that we can make with Google. Without any further delay, let's get started. The first thing is just go to Google page and type do a barrel roll. And next simply click on I'm feeling lucky. That's it. Your result web page will do a barrel roll. Interesting, right? And next funny thing that you can do with Google is just go to Google web page and just type Google Gravity and click on I'm feeling lucky. And we can play with that page like this. Next funny thing that we can do is just go to Google page and type Zergrash. After typing that, you will see a small circles which are coming to our result page. Nothing to worry, just kill them with your mouse point, otherwise the round circles will destroy your result page. And next interesting one is just type a play breakout on Google and simply click on I'm feeling lucky. Your result page will turn as video game you can play for time pass. Another interesting one is just go to Google page and type Google Sphere and click I'm feeling lucky. Our Google page will convert as a sphere, as you can see. And next interesting thing is just go to Google page and type Google Guitar your Google page will pop up like this and your Google logo will turn as a guitar. You can now play by pointing your mouse pointer on it. Next thing is go to Google page and just type Google Snake and click I'm feeling lucky. A small game will pop up and you can play the classic snake game online. Last but not least is my favorite one, Google Basketball game. Just type it on Google web page and click I'm feeling lucky. There you can see a small basketball game. This is my favorite game and you can also try. If you do end up liking this video, click that subscribe button. Thank you. Peace.